What is the best way for a Vietnamese premium mineral water brand to compete in one of the world's most competitive bottled water markets?
Hello everyone, my name is Trần Lam Vũ Thông. Today I would like to present our international marketing project for Vĩnh Hảo Mineral Water and explain how this iconic Vietnamese brand can successfully enter the Japanese market. So, Japan presents an attractive market because consumers are becoming more health conscious and increasingly prefer premium bottled water. The country also has a stable economy, an aging population, and strong purchasing power. Furthermore, the CPTPP agreement provides favorable trade conditions between Vietnam and Japan, making international expansion more accessible. However, entering Japan is not easy. The market is highly competitive, with established international brands such as Evian, Fiji, and Perrier. Therefore, selecting the right entry market is essential for reducing risk while building a long-term success. However, after comparing exporting, licensing, and joint ventures, our research recommended direct exporting as the best in social market entry strategy. Direct exporting requires a lower investment, minimize financial risk, and allows Vĩnh Hảo to maintain full control over product quality and brand image. As market awareness grows, the company can gradually expand through strategic alliance and eventually a joint venture. To support this strategy, we developed an integrated international marketing mix. First, the product will retain its authentic mineral composition while adapting packaging, Japanese labels, and bottle size for local consumers. Second, selected distribution through Aeon, Amazon Japan, and premium retailers strengthens the brand's premium positioning. Third, integrated marketing communication, including digital advertising, influencer partnerships, and product sampling, will build brand awareness and consumer trust. Finally, value-based pricing position Vĩnh Hảo slightly below the major import competitors while maintaining its premium image. In conclusion, Japan offers a highly feasible opportunity for Vĩnh Hảo. By combining direct exporting with an effective international marketing mix, Vĩnh Hảo can minimize risk, preserve its premium brand image, and achieve sustainable long-term growth in Japan. Thank you very much for your time. Third,